So, my dear students, I hope all of you are doing fine. And in the last class, we have finished our first chapter. And today, in this class, we are going to learn our second chapter. What is your second chapter? More on Microsoft Office Word. Okay? What is second chapter? Microsoft Office Word. We are going to learn about Microsoft Office Word. So, before that, actually, I'm using my laptop to show you this Word application and how it works. Okay, this is same in every computer, even if it is laptop computer or desktop computer, wherever we run this, it is same. Okay, so I'm using my laptop to show you how this Microsoft Word works. Okay, first I will show you how to open this Microsoft Word. Okay, this is my desktop and see, either you will be having the Microsoft Word in your desktop, anywhere in your desktop, or if you are not finding it, you can search in this. Okay, this is the search tab. In this, you can type Microsoft Word. Okay, so look, when we type just Microsoft, all the Microsoft application will appear there. Okay, Microsoft is actually a package. In that, we will be having Microsoft Office PowerPoint. We will learn about that. Now we are learning Microsoft Office Word and Microsoft Office Excel. That also we will learn. Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Look here, many applications of Microsoft are shown here. So, all this are contained in a package, and when we install this in our computer system, either laptop or desktop computer, wherever it is, we install the Microsoft package in our system. So, automatically all this application will get installed in our system. Okay, so now we are going to learn about Microsoft Office Word, and I have installed Microsoft Office Word of version 2007 in my system. Okay, so I am opening it. Many versions are there. In each version, some updations will be given than the earlier ones. Okay, so what is Microsoft Word? What do you mean by Microsoft Word? Actually, this Microsoft Word is a word processor. Okay, Microsoft Word is a word processor that allow you to work with documents that contain text, graphics and several objects. That means, look here, when I open the Microsoft Word, see in the title bar, this is the title bar, it is given Document 1 Microsoft Word. Okay, so we have opened the Microsoft Word application here or software here. Okay, so this application is actually used to enter text or graphics. Okay, and we can make many modifications in the text or graphics that we create here. Understood? So, in this chapter, first we are going to learn how to draw a table in Microsoft Word. How to draw a table in Microsoft Word. Okay, so what is a table? So, what is a table? Before learning how to insert a table in Microsoft Word, first you want to know what is a table. What is a table? Table is a framework of horizontal rows and vertical columns. You know what a table is, and you have drawn tables also, right? It have rows and columns. Okay, so it is a framework of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Is it clear to you? So, we will learn how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Okay. So, for inserting a table in Microsoft Word, first what did we do? We opened the Microsoft Word. Then, where you have to create a table. If you want to create a table here, you have to click there. Okay, where is our cursor? This is our cursor. This arrow is called our cursor, and we use the mouse to control this arrow. Okay, when we move the mouse to any direction, this arrow or this cursor, don't tell it as arrow. The name of it is called cursor. So this cursor will move as we move the mouse to any direction. Understood? When it enters this page, it will become, the cursor will become this side. Okay. Now, if you want to create table, where we want to create table in this page, so please click on that, and then we have to go to table menu. Menus are given here. Can you see that? Home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. Understood? These are called the menu bar. This bar is called the menu bar. This is the title bar where we have written the document 1 Microsoft Word. This document 1 will automatically change when we save this document to any name that we give. Okay, if we are giving the first document, the document 1 will, this is an initial name given by the Microsoft Word itself. If we are saving this as Microsoft like a first document or my first document, this document 1 name will change to my first document. Okay, for example, look here, I am going to save this. For that, I am clicking here, menu. Okay, next, save. If you want to save any document in Microsoft Word, you have to open, file, save. In some system, my Microsoft Word version is 2007, that's why this system is there. In others, there will be a file option called file in menu. You have to open, file, then click save from that. Okay, now when you open the save, look, a dialog box appeared. Can you see this? In this, there is an option called file name. There we have to give any name to this document. I am giving my first document. So I am typing my first doc, short form of document. Okay, and then I will click where save button. So look here, now the document 1 name changed to my first doc. Did you understand? So this is the name of the document where we are working, and this is the application, Microsoft Word. Understood? Next, where we find this home, insert, page layout, referencing, mailing, preview, view, all these are called the menu bar. Now look, actually if you want to open anything, we have to take like if we want to insert something, we have to take insert. Then look, the options of insert will automatically appear here. Click on page layout. Look, all the options of page layout will appear here. Okay, that is all the tools of page layout will appear here, and this is known as the toolbar. Is it clear? Title bar, menu bar, and toolbar or shortcut bar. Now I am taking insert. So all the options of insert will appear there. And what we want table. So I am taking, so this is for Microsoft Office Word 2007. In earlier versions, if you click this home, sub menu will appear like this, and in that all those options will be given. And in that you can take insert, and sub menu will appear with all these options, and from that you can take table. Okay, so in this I am taking table. I clicked on table, and look, in 2007 version you can select like this, how many rows or how many columns you want. You can select like this, and its model will appear on our document. How many rows or how many columns you want, that much columns you can select here, and its model will appear on the Word document. Understood? Look. Did you understand? This is how we will select a table. In another way we can select, see here, insert table option, click on that, and in that you can type the number of columns and number of rows you want. Like that also you can select a table. For example, in default way it is given 5 columns and 2 rows. When you open this, it is automatically given 5 columns and 2 rows. If you want to change, put the cursor there and click with mouse left button and use backspace to erase that. Backspace and type how many columns you want. For example, 6 columns. Okay. Next, number of rows. So what you have to do, click on that number of rows and backspace to erase 2, and you have to give how many rows you want. For example, 4. Okay, so we have typed number of columns 6 and number of rows 4. Now click on OK and our table will appear. Look here, 6 columns are there and 4 rows are there. Understood? This is known as a table with horizontal rows. A framework with horizontal rows and vertical columns are known as a table. So I hope you all understood what is Microsoft Word, what is a table, and the introduction about Microsoft Word document, and how to save a Microsoft Word, and also how to insert the table. Okay? The remaining portions we will look in the next class. So this much you have to learn.